Well, good afternoon. Markets have just closed here on the 11th of July. It's a Wednesday, a negative day for everything across the board except the dollar. Everything is red on the screen. And as far as why, we discussed this earlier. Everybody knows about it. Trade sanction talk, more tariffs announced last night by Trump has led to this. Nervousness in the market, a general negative across the board. Some moves are gigantic, and we'll get to those in just a second. Cotton down quite a bit. We've got the cotton market down 183 at 84.54, high of 86.30, low of 84.34. That was made late in the day. Soybeans down 23, big move there in November at 848.5, a high of 866.75, a low of 847.5. December corn down 7.5 at 353. The low was 352.75. The high was 360.5. September wheat down 19.75 at 472. A high of 490.5 and a low of 471.25. And those weren't really the bad markets. Take a look at crude oil. Crude oil right now down $4 a barrel. A big move there in the markets. We've got the dollar up quite a bit. The only up thing on the board, up 61. Gold and silver down quite a bit. Gold down $12 an ounce, silver down 28 cents an ounce. And you would expect the Dow Jones to be down. It's down 237 right now. Tomorrow's a big day. We've got exports coming out at 7:30. We have the crop report, supply and demand report, production report. That's coming out at 11 o'clock Central Time. That takes a back seat to what's going on in these markets globally right now with trade talk, but it can have an effect. The general feeling is that the numbers for grains will be bearish. We've already moved down so much off of other things, it's confusing to know what the reaction will be since we've already moved so much. But that comes out, and it's expected to be not a good number or the crop's getting bigger. Cotton, on the other hand, should be a fairly uneventful number. Don't expect a lot there, but you know, this market right now feels like it wants to go in all these markets lower. And we're going to talk tomorrow morning as soon as we do our weekly report that comes out at 7:30 with the release of exports. We're going to go over just how low we can go, just how high we might then go, and where are the opportunities for people out there that are interested in doing some things in these markets. So make sure you tune into that. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.